The title of this speech is Archimedes' Principle. Some of the best opportunities to learn are the moments in which you begin to wonder a question. These moments are happened throughout history. Now learn that some amazing discoveries. Take this story for example, the story of Archimedes. Firstly, do you know Archimedes? Have you heard about him? Archimedes was born in 287 BC in the city of Syracuse in Sicily. He was a great mathematician, physicist, inventor, and astronomer. The second stage of this story belongs to a very important mission. One day, Archimedes was sent by the king of Sicily to investigate if he had been cheated by a goldsmith. The king suspected that the goldsmith cheated and slipped some silver into the crown, keeping some of the gold for himself. The king asked Archimedes to solve this problem. But there was a catch. He couldn't do any damage to the crown. One day, while taking his bath, Archimedes noticed that the water level in the bathtub rose. He suddenly realized that how much water was displaced depended on how much of his body was immersed. This discovery excited him so much that he jumped out of the tube and ran to the street shouting, "Eureka! Eureka!" meaning, "I found it! I found it!" But what did he find? The third stage consists of one of the most important discoveries. He found the way to solve the king's problem. Archimedes needed to check the crown density to see if it is the same as the density of pure gold. Pure gold is very dense, while silver is less dense. But no matter what it is made of, the crown would be the same shape, which means the same volume. So Archimedes could measure the mass and then the volume in order to find how dense it was. But it was not easy to measure crown's volume, because it has an irregular shape. The solution Archimedes realized was give the crown a bath. By placing it in water and seeing how much water was displaced, he could measure the volume and he calculated the density of the crown. When Archimedes went back to the king and did his test, the story says he found the goldsmith hadn't cheated the king. These days, using the way an object displays water to measure volume is called Archimedes' Principle. Next time you take a bath, you can see Archimedes' Principle, and maybe you'll be inspired and you'll have a good idea of your own.